3 big ways to stay motivated. Some big ways to stay motivated is by doing a few small things very well. The first thing that I would recommend is do something every day. You're not going to wake up and all of a sudden motivate yourself to turn into Arnold Schwarzenegger or Callum von Moger overnight. This is going to be a long process. Those guys have been at it for years before they were in their prime and hit a stride to where you pull them up on Instagram and they look incredible. So what can you do to stay on track while maybe you just fell off, maybe you missed your target? How can you still stay motivated? So the first thing I want you to do is do something every day. You worked out for 3 hours yesterday. Congratulations. Let's say today, you're not able to do it. Like, okay, I don't have that time. Like, I have this big meeting. I have to take my kids to XYZ. I have to pick up a double at work to cover somebody. Just maybe it was 3 hours of lifting yesterday somehow. I haven't done a 3-hour lift in a very long time. Let's say it's a 20-minute walk today. That's what we're gonna do. So you're gonna do something every day. Maybe it's instead of taking your dog just to the dog park and letting them run around, you take them on a longer walk. Maybe it's just that little bit of exercise that kept you logging something for the next day. So now you're 2 days in a row. Even though it wasn't a monster lift both days in a row, it's still 2 days. So that's one major way to stay motivated. 2, you want to be able to focus on goals that you can actually attain within a short period of time and be able to celebrate them. So if your goal is just to lose 50 pounds. That's not gonna happen overnight. And there's a lot of opportunities for discouragement in between now and then. So in order to stay motivated, let's find when you hit the first 5 pounds, and then have a little celebration. Not a huge celebration. Don't take like a week off of your goals, but maybe find a way to go buy a new little t-shirt that you wanted to get online, or you wanted to go try this new restaurant or something like that. Just some little way to celebrate the fact that you did hit a milestone. It might not be a milestone for someone that's very seasoned, but for you, this is huge, and it's gonna be key for you staying motivated. And lastly, in order to stay motivated, you're going to want to actually track your goals. So in order to bring perspective to what you're doing and not just feel like you're flying by the seat of your pants, you want to be able to log this. I'm not saying buy some $150 super workout journal or have some spreadsheet that logs, this much water weight today and that much macros tomorrow. Those things are all amazing. I'm saying maybe even just a piece of paper, a journal, some low-hanging fruit. You're going to mark off what your goal is. I'm going to go to the gym for the next 2 weeks, 3 days a week, and every day that you go, you just check it off. That is an easy way to stay motivated. This isn't going to overcomplicate it, and this is going to be a way for you to build up momentum so that you can clear into the next stage.